Hey there, dog lovers! Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the juicy truth about fruits and veggies for our furry companions. Get ready to discover which fruits and vegetables are safe and delicious for your four-legged friends and which ones should be kept off their plate. We will dive into a comprehensive list of dog-approved treats packed with essential nutrients and bursting with flavor. But it's not all about what they can eat. We'll also reveal the surprising dangers lurking in some seemingly innocent fruits and vegetables. Dog owners often want to treat their pets with table scraps or human snacks instead of dog treats. However, it's crucial to know which fruits and vegetables are safe for dogs to eat. While some people foods are fine for dogs, others can be harmful or even deadly. Dogs have a different digestive system, and consuming the wrong foods can lead to serious health issues. Although fruits and vegetables aren't necessary for dogs, occasional treats are acceptable. Let's explore which ones are safe in moderation and which ones should be avoided entirely. Let's begin with fruits and vegetables that dogs should not consume. Avocado. Dogs should not eat avocados. Avocados contains persin, a toxin that can cause vomiting and diarrhea in dogs. Cherries. Dogs should not eat cherries. Cherry plants contain cyanide, which can be toxic to dogs. Watch for symptoms of cyanide poisoning if your dog consumes cherries. Some examples would be difficulty breathing or rapid breathing, vomiting and or diarrhea, seizures or tremors, collapse, or even unconsciousness. Grapes and raisins. Dogs should not consume grapes or raisins. They are toxic to dogs. The exact reason behind this toxicity is still unknown. Eating grapes and or raisins can lead to acute kidney failure. Tomatoes. It's best to avoid feeding tomatoes to dogs. While the ripe fruit is generally safe, the green parts of the tomato plant contain solanine, a toxic substance. Although a large amount would be necessary to make a dog sick, it's recommended to skip tomatoes altogether to ensure safety. Asparagus. Asparagus is not necessary to include in a dog's diet. Although it's not necessarily unsafe, it tends to be too tough to be eaten raw and loses its nutrients when cooked. It's better to choose more beneficial options if you want to share a veggie with your dog. Mushrooms. It's best for dogs to avoid mushrooms altogether, especially wild mushrooms, as they can be toxic. While only a small percentage of mushroom species are poisonous, it's safer to skip all mushrooms to prevent any harm to your dog. Onions, leeks, and chives. Dogs should never consume onions, leeks, and chives as they belong to the allium family, which is poisonous to pets. Onions can cause damage to a dog's red blood cells, leading to symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, and nausea. Japanese dog breeds like Akitas and Shiba Inus are particularly susceptible. Now, here is your list of fruits and vegetables that dogs can consume in moderation. Apples. Yes, dogs can eat apples. They provide vitamin A and C as well as fiber. Remember to remove the seeds and core before feeding them to your dog. Bananas. They are a low-calorie treat rich in potassium and vitamins, but they should be given in moderation due to their high sugar content. Blueberries. They are a superfood packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them a healthy alternative to store-bought treats. Cantaloupe. Yes, dogs can eat cantaloupe. It is low in calories, rich in nutrients, and a good source of water and fiber. However, it should be shared in moderation, especially for overweight or diabetic dogs. Cranberries. Dogs can eat cranberries in small quantities. They are safe and can be beneficial, but overfeeding can cause an upset stomach. Cucumbers. They are low in carbohydrates, fats, and oils, making them a great choice, especially for overweight dogs. Mangoes. They are a sweet treat packed with vitamins, but be sure to remove the pit as it contains small amounts of cyanide. Oranges. Yes, dogs can eat oranges. They are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. However, remove the peel and seeds before offering them to your dog. Peaches. Avoid the pit as it contains cyanide, but fresh peaches can be a delicious and healthy summer treat. Pears. They are a great snack that is high in copper, vitamin C and K, and fiber. Remove the pit and seeds before feeding them to your dog. Pineapple. Yes, pineapple is safe for dogs to eat. It is a sweet treat full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and bromelain, which aids protein absorption. Pumpkin. Yes, pure pumpkin is a healthy snack for dogs. It helps with digestion, skin, and coat. Raspberries. Dogs can safely enjoy raspberries in moderation. These antioxidant-rich fruits are low in sugar and calories while being high in fiber, manganese, and vitamin C. They can benefit senior dogs by offering anti-inflammatory properties for their aging joints. Strawberries. Dogs can indulge in strawberries as they are packed with fiber and vitamin C. Additionally, the enzyme present in strawberries can help whiten your dog's teeth as they enjoy these tasty treats. However, remember to offer them in moderation due to their sugar content. Watermelon. Dogs can enjoy watermelon after removing the rind and seeds, which can cause intestinal blockage. Watermelon flesh is a hydrating treat that is rich in vitamin A, B6, and C, as well as potassium. It's an excellent option for keeping dogs hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. Broccoli. Yes, dogs can consume broccoli, but in very small quantities as an occasional treat. It is high in fiber and vitamin C, but contains isothiocyanates in the florets, which may cause gastric irritation in some dogs. Additionally, broccoli stalks can cause esophageal obstruction. Brussels sprouts. Yes, dogs can consume Brussels sprouts safely, but it's important not to overfeed them to avoid excess of gas. These nutrient-packed vegetables provide various benefits for both humans and dogs. Cabbage is also safe for dogs, but may have the same gassy effect. Carrots. Carrots make excellent low-calorie snacks for dogs. They are high in fiber, beta-carotene, and vitamin A, which is beneficial for their overall health. Chewing on carrots can also promote dental health. Celery. Dogs can safely eat celery, which contains vitamin A, B, and C, as well as heart-healthy nutrients and potential anti-cancer properties. Moreover, celery can freshen your dog's breath. Green beans. Dogs can enjoy plain green beans in different forms, including chopped, steamed, raw, or canned. Low salt or no salt versions preferably. Green beans are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and low in calories, making them a healthy addition to your dog's diet. Peas. Dogs can enjoy various types of peas, including green peas, snow peas, sugar snap peas, and garden or English peas. These peas are rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber, fresh or frozen. Spinach. While it is generally safe for dogs to consume spinach, it is not among the top recommended vegetables to share with them. Spinach contains high levels of oxalic acid, which can hinder calcium absorption and potentially cause kidney damage. While it would require a significant amount of spinach for this to occur, it might be advisable to opt for alternative vegetables instead. In summary, while it's tempting to share your favorite fruits and vegetables with your dog, it's crucial to know which ones are safe. Dogs have different digestive systems, so some foods can be harmful. Stick to safe options like apples, bananas, and carrots, and avoid grapes, onions, and mushrooms. Prioritize your dog's well-being and consult a vet for guidance. By being mindful, you can keep your dog healthy and happy. Thank you for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.